Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go on this website. I meant, uh, try to put sound effects. Anyways, now to download it, all you have to do is just click its name, or its ad. Then you should